Who'd have guessed in the middle of February we would have to be hunting ice, or hunting for ice. Our initial plans were to go up to Little Bay Denok with some friends who have never been and stay in a sleeper shack up there for a few days. But the ice up there is not conducive to do such a thing. So we had to come up with a quick plan B. And we have decided we're going to head to Mille Lacs in Minnesota. We've never been there, and this will be the first time that we've stayed in a sleeper cabin. So really kind of looking forward to it. They have plenty of ice. We're going to be staying with Randy's Rentals in one of his sleepers for 3 nights. And hopefully put us on a few walleye. And I hope that Tony and Tandy Ooten are friends. Hope they can experience it, have a good time, catch some walleye as well. Regardless, it'll be a good time. Can definitely guarantee you that. We still got a couple hours yet before our arrival there, and we are going to stop at Reed's to get some minnows and probably other things that we don't need, but that's just what happens when you go to those places. So we will probably check in sometime somewhere once we're on the ice, so stick with us.
Right now we are driving on the ice. I am going to have a stroke. Can't do this. Tony's slowing down, go slow. Can't believe this is happening. I legitimately might have a stroke. Oh my god. Why is it popping?
Oh, look at that.
Oh, you suck.
He's still there. He's still there.
Get down there, you stupid. Oh, I'm stuck on this thing.
See the fish on the bottom?
I do.
There he comes.
Come on, Amber. I'm way up there.
On bottom, see. You got a rattle bait on there or no?
Yeah. There you go, you're going down.
Oh,
he's going at it.
Yeah, he did.
He's trying to figure out what's on the bottom. Yeah! Nice job! Just be careful with it. Coming up there.
It's gotta be a walleye.
Oh, yeah.
It's gotta be a good walleye.
Yeah, I see him down there.
Isn't that exciting?
I need to get down there.
Pretty cool.
Hazel Pete's must be a good one. Oh, yeah.
I got
He's right there. He's nice.
There is. He's a good one. Oh, wow. Nice job.
You got him?
Nice fish.
Got him.
Nice.
Wow.
Nice job.
No minnow either.
What'd you
Didn't
catch?
have a minnow head on.
What'd you catch him on?
A glass rattling buckshot. Wow. Yeah. Nice.
Nice fish.
Nice one.
Yes.
Oop.
What a nice fish.
Yeah.
Great job.
Yes. Nice one. Good job. First fish.
First fish
Of the
in
trip.
Minnesota.
You come in and check on us.
How's it going? Say
Yeah.
straight.
Hi there.
Yeah. Checking licenses.
Sure.
You guys okay if I come in?
Yeah.
Perfect.
If you can fit.
I'll try to stay out of the way of everybody's way. Thank you. You guys catching fish?
I just caught
Caught a
one.
nice one. Nice. How big?
I didn't measure it, but 20 maybe?
20 mil. This is for her and I. Okay. My driver's license is too? Yeah.
Oh, my license is over here.
He said it's fine.
Oh, okay.
No, we're from Ohio.
We just got our license. We brought ours. We conned them into coming.
Yep.
Can't even say anything because the gophers suck.
We can go blue.
I mean I can.
Yeah, right.
I like the gophers, but it is what it is, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's awesome.
Good deal, guys. Thank you. Have a good night.
Should've known Tony was with us.
You're welcome. What did I tell you? What did I tell
Son of
you?
a biscuit.
You guys could fish
Hey, we
all
were all
your
legal.
lives
We were all legal though.
Yep.
Legal.
and never have a problem.
I kind of expected it out here though, with all the wheelhouses out here. Oh, that's a tip up. The same one.
Go, Tandy.
No, I'm standing here watching poles. You go.
Yeah. I was shutting her off because so it didn't annoy the crap out of Tandy.
It's not annoying.
Where's your gloves at? Gloves. Just let her catch all the fish today.
Yep. Got him.
Yeah.
That's a nice one too.
Yes. Fish.
And he's off.
Nice. Nice. Look at that.
Heck yeah.
Here, grab the camera and watch it there.
My bedtime.
What the hell was that?
Her phone.
My phone. It's time for me to go to bed. Oh. I don't go to bed that time. It's my work sleep schedule.
Oh, she hears it. Here she comes. She's running.
It's a runner.
Bring it.
On what?
Huh?
On what?
Look at that.
It's a runner.
Running?
Yep. Still going.
You getting it?
You get it.
No, you get it. I've caught plenty.
All right.
Oh, yeah. Slack. He's running right now, so you're going to have to probably take him while I get the... There it is. Yeah, just shine it down here. Film down here.
Oh, it broke off. The literally just came off.
Fun.
Yeah, that's a hot mess.
Yeah, we're going to bring that up.
Probably gonna grab the other one here.
At least break it loose for now.
Oh, what the hell?
He ran, he just had it in his mouth.
He's pulling the line.
It's the other one. Oh.
Stupid.
Oh, he's on there.
Oh, he's on there.
Get over
Go,
there,
Tandy,
the
go,
phone.
Tandy.
Fighting like crazy.
I'm probably going to have to come over there and grab the damn thing.
No.
Yay!
Oh, no.
Oh yeah. We got a screamer.
That's just like, it's just a big minnow. So. He's on there.
Fish on. There it comes. Good one. Yes, sir.
Look at that.
Oh shoot!
Yeah.
Already? That's a big one.
Yeah. Spit on a secondary minnow.
Wow.
Nice job.
No, that's the,
Is that off that?
yeah, I need the pliers.
All you see is its big old red gills.
It's hard to let him go in there. I can't. Ross Robertson, where we did it.
Oh! A little morning shower.
Come on.
I hope I think of wax.
Oh my gosh.
Keep going up with it.
It's finally coming up after a little bit.
Keep lifting it.
I
Higher,
am.
higher. Like this.
I am.
Keep going higher.
I am.
Can't even chase it.
Yeah, he's going up with it. Just keep going up with it.
Man, stand
Yeah.
up.
Ooh, he's,
Oh, he's coming after it.
yeah.
Keep going up.
Keep going up with it.
Go, you may want to stand up.
You're gonna have to.
Reel.
Get high.
Take it back down the bottom and start working it back up if he doesn't like it. What do you got on there?
Buckshot.
Buckshot?
Well, I
Wonder
think it's
Bread.
actually a coffin one, but
It's a Wonder Bread buckshot.
That's the glow in the dark one.
was a big pike. That thing was huge. Did you guys get to see
Yep.
it?
Yeah.
I seen its head for a second.
Oh, there it is. Oh, it just broke my line. It freaking broke my line.
Maybe it was up.
He's a baby.
Yep. My minnow was almost that size.
Yep.
Can you see it?
It's just a fish.
It'd be like bait. It's a nice walleye. I think.
Nice walleye. Oh, he's... Damn. Yeah. Alright.
Well, maybe they want rattles.
On the tantrum. Gonna add that camera.
Oh, you suck.
That's a big fish.
For the first time, I do not think there's a better way than going out in a sleeper style shack.
I do it, wait.
I think better to fleet of frostbite gear so you have a chance to rent that part of your deal and try it out, which is good. If you don't have the ice fishing gear, don't let that stop you from getting out. That's pretty much
There you go.
It's
Going now.
We'll catch on the ice again very, very soon.
Adam.
Sweet.
Can't see down the fucking hole. You're gonna have to get down there.
Yeah, line up. Nice walleye.
Alright, go on.
Thought he was bigger than that, but
Decent one still.
yeah. On the rattle reel. Oh, yeah. Pliers. Okay. Hopefully it goes back in. Away he goes.
Alright, that's fun.
Yeah.
I'll start reeling it up if you want to get them in them.
Yep, we got both. Ooh, guess what you got?
Sweet.
Freaking eel pout. First one ever. Caught up in both of them. They just broke that line. If I can get it untangled here. Come on, dude. Oh, this will be fun. That one broke too, I think. That's pretty. Pretty.
Can almost be done having the stroke now.
Well, as always, all good things come to an end. We had a great trip on Mille Lacs. It was our first time in a sleeper with great friends, made some great memories. We even drove the truck out on the ice, which Amber stressed out quite a bit on that. I can't say that we really tore up the fish, but we caught plenty. All nice sized walleye, and we even got our first burbot last night, actually, the last night. It was a really good time. Again, we were staying with Randy at Randy's Rentals in one of his sleeper cabins. You know, simple but functional. Like I said, it was just a great time. We certainly plan on coming back or doing something of the sort, you know, in the near future. Well, maybe not this year, but next year. And we're still hoping to get one last trip up to Little Bay Denok here in a couple weeks before the season ends up there. See if we can get up there one more time on the ice. We appreciate you guys watching. We appreciate the support. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. It'll help us out greatly. And once again, thank you for watching.